Kumasi Asante Kotoko Chitafo ya sign at Kunyum Mohammed Share King Kobe said ye no yet Nasia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Sama is no idea ya tree was near beam a brim actually chrim amamu. Now and there's a semen or you say Ghana Premier League, the biggest game of the calendar. Adia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra had to fug and ye di see any Accra Sports Stadium na Kotoko na elbow home. You say Baba Ranye ready. So we've adopted Accra Sports Stadium as our home for this season and a year boy matches home. Now and then Accra had to fug our arch rivals. Club awako 10 years on je she the omutimeje ma mesewa Memorial Cup hwan GHS Cup bi omobo hen no omutimeje ene omuse omutimi abehye Kotoko team a yakobo Algeria yakọ Africa aba no omuse omo abehye na ye de ID na ye hwe omo we mu de kasa de omunim kasa panti ja omo kasa na ye de awo mo ni say so Accra had to folk eba Accra Sports Stadium any Kumasi Asante Kotoko aba besi ni na ye hwe Kotoko ne had to folk aba kwasem na Kotoko there were so many league titles on Kotoko adi 23 league titles had to folk adi 19 na game we ye hwe had to folk almost 2 matches about 2 matches ahead of Asante Kotoko about 15 matches Kotoko about 13 matches 15 and 13 Kotoko ewo 23 points had to folk ewo 23 points so yeah with the same points had to folk ewo omuli die goals kakra it's no muda yeso no but ni nyina nkomra na the game we the game for the bragging rights wow besha you get the bragging rights share agid league no asa aka ho nim say the NC competition Kotoko G and nyenko pie mo Africa had to folk you share more NC competition no yetime ehye omo last year Premier League about so we coronavirus and betray we the search omo Accra ha san show 2-1 courtesy Justice Blay any navigate penalty enti the Jimudi the Metamba boys na endra video buy Kotoko page no official handle or the 200 team say Fabio Gama is in high spirits for the game and almost shit jama mu odin almost shit jama nkasa Fabio Gama, oh what a player! Na de obedi agro besi form obekom Kwame Poku munyina jinjinem Naby Keita we have Ibrahim and the first 11 for the game. Our selection for today's game: goalkeeper Abalora, and then on and they expect so Betchiama Kotoko. You got the right back and left back the usual pair now. Christopher Netti and Ibrahim Moore with the central pair. You Ganiu and Mubarak. You come fifth no Sako dear. Emmanuel Sako de Vigilant fifth no hammer and I want to make sure say or be protected the central pair no amain. You call the lateral so you been Emmanuel Jemfi and I don't know say Godfrey the Siama Bebo say or guessing Okra Bebo. Well, we prefer say guessing Okra and start the game because I'm a big game player. Fabio Gama be than 15 and Mudasiru. So 15 benya Mudasiru, yeah prediction Mudasiru no Naby Anabila and Sarkodie Fabio Gama. Anabila Sarkodie Fabio Gama. And we have Augustine Okra at the left wing and we have Emmanuel Jemfi at the right wing. And who else? Kwame Poku Beye ability attack on our mind there. Strong side I bet me they share how to focus at 3 points no. So let's leave no stone unturned. Let's go into today's game with our heads up. Kotoko team we are in good shape so that we can end round so it may some of the brilliant goals at ACC Accra Kotoko hard fixtures. So let them bring it on. We are waiting for them. You see after the game no you better need their course so so I bet you name. Aha the Fabulous Zone for Porcupine by Porcupines.